In this video we will learn how to create cloud cryptocurrency mining website. Now as you can see a website design demo, we will build this cryptocurrency mining website. You don't need to know any programming language to create this website, because I will teach you step by step how to create a cryptocurrency cloud mining website. You will get the most powerful admin panel to control this cryptocurrency cloud mining website. You can control all the functionality of the website through the admin panel. You will also get to awesome home page designs. You can use any design of your choice. You can use this beautiful design on home page. You will find many important functionalities in your admin panel. Through these functionalities you can control everything of the website. For example, you can easily control website users using the admin panel. Also you can easily add mining category. Then you can add cryptocurrency mining plan price. You can add many automatic international payment gateways to your website. Also, you can easily create unlimited manual payment gateways. In this video, I will discuss with you step by step about admin panel. Users can register on the website very easily. The website also has login facility for users. So now let us register as a user on the website. Now you can see a user account dashboard. You will get many functionalities in the account. So let's now create a cryptocurrency cloud mining website. We can easily create a cloud cryptocurrency mining website using a premium source code. You can purchase this source code from Envato. Check the video description. I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. Once you purchase this source code, you can use it on the website for lifetime. You also get lifetime update versions and lifetime developer support. You can build a professional cloud cryptocurrency mining website using this source code. I will give the information link of this source code in the video description. Domain hosting is required if you want to publish your cloud cryptocurrency mining website online. Also, domain hosting is required to install source code. You can buy high-quality domain and web hosting from Hostinger at a low price. Check the video description. I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. You get a free domain with these packages. Also, you will get money-back guarantee for 30 days. If you don't like domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support. This way you can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. I have already purchased domain hosting from Hostinger, so I will log in the account now. Now first we need to change the PHP version. We will definitely select the PHP 8.1 version. Now we need to click on File Manager to upload the source code. Then we will move to the public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code, we will be provided with a zip file and PDF file. We will now extract this zip file. Then convert all these files into zip files. Now we will upload this zip file. Then we need to unarchive this zip file. Now we will choose a folder name. Then we will delete this zip file. Now we need to select all these files. We will then submit these files to the public HTML folder. Then delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain in the browser. Then enter /install. Now we move to the next step. Then we need to add some files permissions. Then we recheck and move on to the next step. Now we will do the purchase verification. For this we need to open the PDF file. Then I will verify the purchase with this information. Now we need to add the database. For this we need to create database in hosting panel. We must create the MySQL database. Then submit this database information. Then click on Create button. Now I will copy this database information and add it to the website. Database host name localhost. Then we need to submit admin login information. Now we will click on the Install Now button. Our source code install is complete. Now we need to delete the install file. Now our website is fully ready. Now you can customize all the functionalities of the website by logging into the admin panel. Now we need to set up cron job. For this we need to go to hosting panel. Our cron job setup is complete. Now you can see the admin panel of our cloud cryptocurrency mining website. You can easily create mining categories. Then you can add the price of the package. You can see the mining history. You can easily control the users of the website through the admin panel. Can add balance to their account. Or can deduct the balance from their account. In this section you can see all the user information of the website. You can send email to all users of the website if you wish. You can also add your preferred international automatic payment gateway. Here you will find many international payment gateways. Moreover, you can create manual payment gateway. You can see the various payment history of the website. You can view users' payment withdrawal history. You can also provide replies to user support tickets. Moreover, you can see various reports on the website. You can see the subscriber lists of your website. You can change the name and colors of your website through general settings. You can also add referral commission step by step to your website. You can easily add website logo and favicon. You can easily add Google Analytics to your website. You can also add Google reCAPTCHA for website security. And you can add live chat to the website. You can add unlimited languages for website. You can do search engine optimization very easily. You can also customize KYC settings for user verification. You can customize email templates for notification settings. You can also activate your favorite design. You can create unlimited menu pages. You can easily change the design of the website through the Manage section. You will get all kinds of options to change the website design in the Manage section. In this video we learn how to create a cloud cryptocurrency mining website. If you have any question about this video then comment or contact us directly on email. Thank you so much watching this full video.